The need for part-time maids has been on the rise in Singapore. But what exactly do Singaporeans need them for? Let's learn about the different chores they can help us with. Number 1. General cleaning. If you need some basic cleaning done, a part-time helper can certainly do it for you. These tasks include dusting the furniture, sweeping and vacuuming the floors and carpeting, wiping down various surfaces in your home, disposing of the garbage. Number 2. Kitchen cleaning. No time to clean the kitchen yourself? Here is how the part-time maid can help. Some of the kitchen chores they can do include cleaning and disinfecting the countertops, wiping the kitchen cabinets and shelves, washing your cooking and dining utensils, cleaning the refrigerator, stove, and other kitchen appliances. Number 3. Bathroom cleaning. Bathrooms also need special care. A part-time maid can keep the room hygienic by cleaning and disinfecting the toilets, sinks, and showers, wiping down the counters, scrubbing the grime and mold off the tiles. Number 4. Bedroom cleaning. As our personal sanctuaries, our bedrooms should also be spotless too. Here are some ways a part-time helper can keep the place pleasant. Making the bed, decluttering and organizing your closets and shelves, washing and drying your linens. Apart from the chores we already mentioned, there are more tasks a part-time maid can do for your home. They can also clean the mirrors and windows to remove smudges and streaks. They can also help iron your clothes and linen so they stay wrinkle-free. If you need personalized house cleaning, Kung Fu Helper is here for you. Contact us today to book a stress-free cleaning session or ask us for more advice.